Okay, Owen, why don't you rub this on your head, this balloon. Go ahead, rub it on your hair. All right, and then hand it to Striker. Striker, rub it on your hair. Okay, Striker, why don't you hold it just above those dots. Let's see what happens. Look at those jumping dots. Do you see them, Owen?
Yeah.
Holy cow! That's static electricity.
Now is it my turn?
Yeah. Rub it on your head a little. You're helping the dots get off. That's okay. We'll get them out.
You're so staticky.
Alright, now try it. There they go.
Is it my turn?
Yeah, just a minute. What's that called? Why do the dots jump?
'Cause it's